What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Ikea Desk Anfallare Adils. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It's all Scandinavian. It's all Swedish. I don't know how to pronounce it. But this is a desk that I purchased from Ikea about like 3-ish years ago. Yeah, about 3-ish years ago. And I used it like as a second desk setup instead of the standing desk that I have. I just wanted to kind of give you a perspective, and I wanted to kind of give you like the review on like 3+ years of it, how it is, how it's doing, and I'll leave a link in the description below just to get it right off the bat. This was $160, give or take, when I purchased it. The price is still the same right now. It's a very good, like, you get right there a wooden desk, and then you get these like metal type stools, and it's extremely easy to set it up. They'll just give you like, I think maybe 1 or 2 boxes, and all you do is you just take this and you just screw it on under here. So it's like you don't need to screw anything. It's with your hand. You just screw it in with your hand itself. And you can see the desk has been through a lot, but the quality's still there. It's actually very good. It's actually very thick also. You can see, like, it's a thick desk, so it's not bad. The reason why I changed it up was a few reasons. You can't really do like a clamp on this because of this side edge, and I wanted that initially. No, I don't need it more. And second one, obviously, it's not a standing desk, so I can't personally use it from that perspective. But you can see the desk is pretty long. You could put 2 monitors on it if you want. You could even put your desktop itself on it if you wanted to. You can see there's like 1 monitor, a printer, there's like whatever on the side over there, but you can put a lot of things over here. It's pretty wide. I believe this is 55 inches. I don't know the width of it, but the height, or the length I should say, is 55 inches. So it's pretty wide. It has a decent amount of length to it, so you can adjust it. That's the kind of sucky part. So if you wanted to try it out, like I said, you'll see the exact dimensions in the description and the link when I'll share it below. You could buy something like this on Amazon, probably under $100. So I'll see if I can find some comparative buys if you want to just do it from home and just get it directly to you from Amazon. So I will kind of share those, but I can't speak to their quality then. So this is like something that I can speak to the quality. Like, you just need to clean it up a little bit. Again, like I said, it's used more on the side. I don't use it as often. Other folks tend to use it more in the house, but I just have it on the set it up on the side. But just wanted to kind of give you like a perspective of how it is and what it does. Like, again, like it's very good quality. I would actually recommend this. The only thing would be I would recommend you to test it out first before I tell you to go buy it, because the quality is good. It doesn't shake as much. You can easily put your stuff over here. You can, like I said, I needed a stand-up desk because of, like, I wanted to use the treadmill and whatnot. You can't use it for that, but if you're using it for like work or school purposes, it's good. It's good quality. It's expensive, but it's good quality. So I will give it that. It's never really had any wear and tear. Like I said, 3+ years. It's just dirty. Just need to clean it up. But outside of that, no chips on it. No nothing of that sort. The metal's still fine. The grip on the floor is pretty good. So everything from that perspective, it's a good quality desk. I would actually highly recommend it. The price is pricey, so I will give it that from that perspective. I'll see if I can find an Amazon equivalent much cheaper and maybe either buy it and review it for you guys, or just recommend it initially and go from there. But yeah, I wanted to kind of make this video and talk about that. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy you guys out. If you guys would like this video, please smash that like button. Guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Other than that, some product reviews out. Peace.